And just like that, our Boracay trip has come to an end. We're just packing up. June is doing her hair. Suitcase is packed. Vlogging equipment's packed. Hotel room's a mess. And we're going to get picked up in about half an hour. And we're on our way to the airport. Manila bound. Manila.
Till I OD. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I've been working for so
Thank you.
While waiting, checking your room, we appreciate your guest comment card.
Oh yeah, sure.
Thank you.
So we're checked out. When we arrived, they took a photo of us in our room, and this is what they give us. We actually have our own private boat. The coast boat. These guys are great. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a safe flight, sir.
So we made it to this shitty little airport here at Cataclan, and we're en route to Manila on Cebu Pacific. These airports in Manila and Philippines are really behind. My goodness me. But they do have a Starbucks. We've both got stomach aches because the food in the Philippines is a little bit questionable. But it's not so much the food, I think it's the way they wash their dishes and their forks and their knives. Yeah, we've both got stomach aches. What can you do? So the journey only just begins. We had to get from the jetty to here, and then a bus from the jetty, go from the jetty to this building, then the building in a bus to here, and then here at the airport to another bus, and this goes to the other terminal. See? Hello?
I'm in the vlog.
Yes, you're in the vlog.
Hello.
Where's my seat?
It's the van to the jetty and ferry to the mainland, and then the van to the airport, and the airport is the bus to the terminal. Did I miss anything?
It's not an easy process, is it?
No.
Ale co, że wyszło ci? Znaczy one wychodzą. Ale musisz się ogolić, tak? I one potem nie rosną. Znaczy one nie mogą być zupełnie ogolone.
20 minutes later.
20 minutes later, we've moved about 5 meters. 5 meters. We're just on the runway, so we still have to exit the airport and re-enter to the terminal. Thank you.
Thank you,
Alright, we are in Manila. So now we just have to try and find our way to our driver. Hopefully they've got a sign saying Matt and Gina. If not, we're not sure how to get to the hotel because it's a long way away from Manila airport. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses, these are actually my prescription sunglasses. So if I want to put on my other glasses, I need to find them. They're in my bag. But anyway, that's why I'm still wearing them inside, if you're wondering.
just call the driver, sir.
Thank you.
Burger King.
The hotel isn't picking us up.
Oh.
What they've done is they've actually arranged just a car through one of these companies to pick us up.
Oh.
And that was why it's so expensive. They don't actually have a driver going to and from the hotel. So they just booked it through the airport here. So it's just through one of these guys' drivers. And he said we just paid the driver directly.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, it'll be the same price as what we quoted. So I think what quoted, what, $70 Australian?
Yeah.
Yeah, about $70 Australian. It isn't too bad because it is quite a distance.
Well, they said an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
The actual distance is only like maybe 15 kilometers.
We're going to this place down here. This is the suburb, the name of the area. Anyway, we have all sorts of things coming past us. Tables and bloody counters. Anyway, we have a driver and he will take us there. What did you get from Burger King?
It's a steakhouse burger and double cheese burger.
Steakhouse burger and a cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Tel Vista Hotel.
Cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences.
Check in, yeah.
Gina just asked me if I knew how to get to the room. Well, it'd be good if I could.
Somebody's like tried to listen so hard and it's like, yes.
It's Santa. Yeah, I can't understand the accent. She said right. I couldn't understand the accent. The accent's very like Mexican-y sounding and it's very hard to hear what's going on.
You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
We're in the mountain wing and it is actually very cool. It is beautiful. I could even wear pants. Not like humid Manila and Boracay. Really long. Oh, there's the pool down here. So yes, if you're wondering, we're here in Manila or Talagatay, however you pronounce it, Tel Vista Hotel in the Philippines for a wedding. That's why we're here, if you hadn't watched my previous videos. Alright, let's go.
What's happening? 431.
Hold it there and don't let go. There you go.
The other one is not working. This card's not working. Why are they giving happy anniversary? Are we in the right room? Why are people putting happy anniversary on the table?
Maybe they think we're Mary and Simon.
No, when I booked the whole
they-
time, and it's not anniversary, okay? There's their wedding. Honey, what's going on?
I didn't arrange anything. You booked this, not me. I don't even know where we are.
I counted. I must have met a guy a year before today.
So maybe some other guy's meant to come with you.
Maybe we should ring them. Find out why is the happy anniversary cake in our room.
Well,
Man, sir.
well, are you ringing reception to find out why there's anniversary cake? Well, what I think we should do is have a shower, get changed, and check out the hotel and go to the bar.
We actually just checking to our room, but we saw there is a happy anniversary cake in our room. I'm not sure, is that the right room for us?
Wow. So sunny.
Yeah, it's a 431. Yeah. I don't think I organized that or I mentioned it's our anniversary. Oh no, I was just wondering why we're getting a happy anniversary cake I thought that it might for other guests, you guys might give us the wrong room. Oh, okay. Cool. It's for everyone, like checking. Oh, thanks. Bye.
Why is it happy anniversary?
Apparently that's their welcome word.
Oh.
Happy anniversary.
Jesus.
Look why. It's a Filipino word. So funny.
Happy anniversary. Let's shower and we'll hit the bar. We'll see you at the bar. Gina rang reception before and they said the cake's for everybody. Okay.
Oh, poor guy.
Alright, thanks. They just rang and said, we misdelivered the cake. I'm like, huh? They said it's for somebody else. But what did they say when you...
I don't know. They said, oh, I said, but it clearly says a happy anniversary. They said they just said welcome cake for everybody.
But she said it was delivered to the wrong person, so we're not supposed to eat it. Hey, it's pretty good actually.
Oh, poor guy.
So it's like double chocolate cake. What's this though? What is that? What is it?
It's meant to be
It's like meringue. Happy anniversary, honey.